Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another tutorial on GitLab. So as part of the GitLab tutorial for beginners, we have seen the first tutorial. This will be a second part of it, and in the first tutorial we spoke about the basics of CICD and what is continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery, right? And this tutorial is a simple tutorial where we'll be setting up SSH for GitLab. So if you don't know what is SSH, SSH is also known as secured shell, and secured shell or SSH is a network protocol that enables two computers to communicate. So what we do is, as part of this is this is a basics requirement to have your CICD setup for GitLab. So you need to configure the SSH between the GitLab and your computer. Okay, so this will allow you to have a secured way to access your computer over unsecured network. So that is the basic reason for SSH. So how to set up SSH key in GitLab? So what we will do in this tutorial is we'll create an SSH key in the Windows machine, and we will copy that SSH key to the GitLab settings so that we can authenticate between GitLab and this computer. Okay, so before I get into the actual process, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, or just click on the subscribe button, or if you're new to my channel, and you can like the video, share, and give your comments. So what you want to do is, like, you can log into your GitLab account, or if you have a own instance, you can log into that and you'll be able to see your project. So what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, or you should have a preference over here. So you just click on preference. Okay, so if you see settings, you can click on that and you should get these options. And here, if you see, you will have an SSH key, so you can click on it. And if you see what SSH key says, SSH key allows you to establish a secured connection between your computer and GitLab. Okay, and to add, you need to generate a SSH key. Okay, and then you can copy that content over here. So how to generate? So you can open your git shell, or you can also use your command prompt. Okay, so I'm using the git bash here. So what I will do is I will just type this command, ssh-keygen. So it's a simple command. You just run ssh-keygen, and you can see it is creating a key pair into this location .ssh folder, and you can just press enter. If you want to give some names, you can give, but I'm just keep pressing enter on it. So now you can see it has created a file. So you can see a public key has been saved as id_rsa.pub, right? So that's the key generator for this machine. So I need to go to that location now. So if I go to my Windows machine and go to this .ssh folder, you should be able to see this id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. So what you need to do is you just need to open this file. Okay, so I will open with the notepad. So you'll be getting some contents like this. You just need to copy this content and go to your GitLab where we have went to this SSH key, and just paste this. You can just give a title, so GitLab desktop. Okay, something you can give, and if you want, you can give an expiry date for this key, and just you have to click on add keys. So now you can see this key has been already added, so you should be having this set up correctly, right? So if you go to the SSH key now, you should be able to see one of the SSH key added here. So it's a pretty simple process. You just need to run that SSH keygen in your machine which you want to authenticate with GitLab, and you just need to copy here and just run it. So just save it. So you'll have this SSH key configured. So that's a pretty simple process, right? So why we need this? This will be one of requirement, because when you try to git clone or git push, you may see some authentication problem like permission issues which you may face. So if you have this SSH configured, then you will not face those problems. Okay, so this will is a basic requirement. We are doing it, so in the upcoming tutorials when we do this runners and other configuration, we don't face any problems. So just to reiterate, I'm just telling, like, you just go here to preference, go to SSH key, just copy and paste the key here. And how to generate, you just need to run SSH Keygen. If you are using a Linux machine, it's also the same command. You can also use putty or command prompt on Windows machine. You can run it from there as well. Okay, so I hope it's a pretty simple tutorial. I hope it's a very useful tutorial as well. So because a lot of people face this problem on authentication with SSH key, so you just follow this procedure, and I would request you to click on the subscribe button for watching more videos on GitLab and other tutorials. So thank you for watching.